Naruto Shippuden Crocs, and today we have the one from Itachi as well as from Sasuke. So simulan natin with Itachi. So this is the pair, or at least the right one. You have the black and red Akatsuki design. Very similar to the one that they wear with their cloaks. You have those red misty clouds, you have the black colorway, you have the scarred, or yung parang tawag dito, the headband that they use of Konoha that has a scratch on it, which is the one that Itachi wears. And of course, you have the super familiar gibbets, the one that, you know, you stick in the holes of Crocs. For Itachi, you have the Itachi character over here with his ravens or sparrows, and then you have the giant, what do you call this, like shuriken, and on the other side, you have that same bird, and then if you have the Mangekyo Sharingan, which is of course one of the most powerful versions of the eyes that they have, which is the Sharingan. So that's the black, red Itachi pair. Other Uchiha, we have Sasuke, and this is the right pair. Of course, it comes in the purple and violet colorway, which is very similar to what Sasuke wears, especially during the second arc after he goes with Orochimaru. You even have that rope belt thing that he wears, which is here, tied to the actual shoe, or to the actual clog. You have different gibbets as well. You have the Shuriken, you have the Sharingan, you have the Uchiha symbol over here, which is really nice. And on the left side, you have two gibbets. You have Sasuke in his really, well, pa-cute character. So let the camera focus over there. And you have a more serious version of him over here. Again, also with the rope over on the top of the pair. Now, when it comes to Crocs, the best thing about them is that they are super comfortable, and there are so many designs and collaborations these days that regardless if you want hype, if you want, you know, something that harks back to your passions, which can be Naruto. In fact, I heard that there's like a Gundam pair coming soon, and even recently announced were the Pokemon collaborations, which includes Snorlax. I am super excited for the Snorlax Pokemon Crocs. I will definitely be getting myself one of those. So yeah, those are some of the Naruto Shippuden pairs. Actually, I have a few more, but I didn't bring them with me here on this trip. Shout out to Footlocker. If you guys want to check out Footlocker Philippines, link down below to their Facebook page. Make sure to drop by their Green Hills branch as well. Really nice place. Speaking of Crocs, did you know that in some places, Crocs are actually banned? I'm currently here in Baguio Country Club for my birthday vacation. It's actually my birthday. Woo, I'm old. But anyway, it turns out Crocs are banned. Specifically, it actually says Crocs not allowed in their veranda area where you have dinner or where you had lunch. In fact, I was going over there this morning. I wanted to have breakfast. I had to go back up and change to shoes because the lady there told me that Crocs are not allowed, which is kind of sad because I really like my Crocs. They're super comfortable, but they can kind of understand because they kind of have this vibe going, at least for the country club. This, by the way, is the view that we have here from outside the balcony of my room. Super nice. And this is my room here at Baguio Country Club. I am vacationing with my wife. She's currently in the gym. So I have the room to myself right now. But yeah, really nice room. Fan, no AC, but it is kind of cold, so you should be able to be fine even without it. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video to, yeah, well, say hi and update you guys on what's been happening. I hope you're all doing fine. I will really try not to upload more, no promises, but I will try. And yeah, I just wanted to chime in and reconnect with all of you here on YouTube. So as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.